Hello everyone, welcome to EagleEye Sprint Review. Let's jump into the email. So we have two goals in this sprint. One is scalable integration, design, and architecture. So this is done by Geoffrey. Yeah. And second one is Azure Marketplace. We call it done video. So we deployed our EagleEye to the Azure Marketplace, and we are doing the done video for the customer on how to install it. Yeah. So this is also done this morning. And this is a 2-week sprint, just Geoffrey and me. So I spent like 6 days. Geoffrey spent like 4 days in this 2 weeks. And let me go to the sprint backlog. So for the first one, Azure Marketplace update installation guide. So let me go to the link here. So previously we have a doc called installation, but this is for managed application. So it's used for internal testing. But currently our EagleEye is like moved to Azure Marketplace. So I updated this documentation and added a few screenshots. Yeah. So that's for this PBI. I will continue to next one. Next one, record a done video. So I did this in this morning. So it's 4 minutes. Yeah, so I will call Adam. So Geoffrey already had a pass on this one, and I will call Adam and Toby next week to check this video. Yeah. And next one is done by Geoffrey. So Geoffrey, you can talk about this one.
Yeah, so this was about the design and architecture for the GitHub integration. So I did a video about this one, which was test passed by Adam with a 10 out of 10. Yeah, that's about it, basically. I don't know if you guys want to watch it later, Callan and Rick, but there's an email thread about it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, next one is a bug. So in production, when we do daily scan, we got an error from DB, some invalid column name is active. So this is because some migration error. So I fixed it and did a rescan on the failed days, which is so good now. And next one, issue with tag form prompts. So this is a bug I found. So when we are doing prompt testing, so you can, when you click the sender or receivers, there's no data. You cannot select anyone. So it means you cannot do any testing on the prompt. So I fixed this. And I also added a search feature, so you can easily search for people you want to test. Yeah, that's for this one. And I will continue. Next one is use dialog for the creating manager job. So previously, this form is not a dialog, so we switched to a dialog. So it's inconsistent with the tag dialog. Yeah, that's for this one, a small improvement. And last done PBI is make a local DB persistent. So in local, we are using Docker for database. But every time we close the Docker, we will lose all our data. So I fixed this. So it's using Docker volume. Yeah, so the data is persistent. Yeah, that's all done PBI. If you don't have any question, I will move to in progress one. So for this one, yeah. So Geoffrey, you can talk about this one.
Yeah, so we had duplicate entries in our EagleEye report. So the duplicates are fixed now. There's just a slight little task about having a toggle to remove ex-employees, which is still in progress. But the main work is done, basically.
Yeah. So duplicates is removed. Yeah, and we are going to update public reports for the ex-employee toggle. Yeah. Next one is also on Geoffrey. Do you want to talk about?
Yeah, this was a 431. So on staging, we had this issue. It's just because of the cookie size, which is exceeding the limit. So I talked to Jim about it. We decided to not spend more than half a day on this. And if we can't fix it, we have a workaround which is just to clear the cookies. So we don't think it's worth spending more time on it because it's only happening on staging, not on prod. So yeah, I still look into it, but yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And this one, add report for induction body feedback. So we are going to extract like a score for induction body, and this is one. But this one is kind of blocked by this one. Yeah. So I work on this first. Yeah, because we cannot test the prompt. And after this one is fixed, I move back to this one. So it's still in progress. Yeah. So that's all the PBI. I will move on if no question. For product website, we have one deployment, and we have 3 portal deployment, 2 engine deployment, and 4 job execution. So we have some failure, and it is caused by the DB error we mentioned before. And now it's all fixed, and we rescan those 4 days. Yeah, so good. And next, report statistic, Stefan, Pravin, and Penny, top 3 user. And for Epic progress, we have 1 PBI done, which means this Azure Marketplace Epic is done. And we have 1 done for GitHub integration, which is design and architecture. And no R&D. For me, yeah, I switched to Grok because the fast one is super fast, which is good. And Jeffrey still same, GPT-5 and ChatGPT-5. I will move to retro. For me, I think, yeah, it's mainly about like 2 sprint goal. Yeah, we have GitHub integration is approved, and our EagleEye is deployed to Azure Marketplace, which is good. And Geoffrey comment on my done video on Azure Marketplace. Video is clear and concise. And everything goes so well. Yeah, Jim has moved to time pro team. Yeah.
You have to type 2, not the move to time pro team.
Move to the time pro team. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all for the retro. So I will move to forecast. So our next sprint, we are focusing on the GitHub matrix. So this is kind of like first task for GitHub integration. We will do some user mapping between GitHub and the Microsoft graph. Yeah, so basically those are some leftovers, and we will focusing on this user mapping. Yeah. So any question? We're good. So yeah, so that's it. That's for this sprint. You can check out our sprint review summary video on our YouTube channel. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Yeah.
Thanks, Luke.
Bye. I'll stop recording.